I look terrible.
I look terrible.
Bianca.
I can't believe you would walk in this temperature.
It's really not bad.
It's
I mean,
very
okay, it's kind of
cold.
cold.
It's so windy too.
But like, look, you're all bundled up.
Not enough.
Honestly,
I still have some skin.
That's true. Why don't you put boots on?
I know.
My hand is getting cold. Wait, so how many swipes do you have left?
10.
How many days
I
are
have
left?
like 2 weeks left, and I go have breakfast every day.
You do?
Yeah, pretty much.
So you'd rather eat breakfast than dinner?
Well, I'd rather eat breakfast and then order like dinner. You can't order breakfast.
That's true. Good point. Good point. Guys.
Hi.
Oops. Okay, try that again.
Hi.
Wait, Bianca.
Hello.
What did you get yourself?
I got myself a pie, a
Can I
large
see?
pie for only $7.
Oh my god, look at that.
I know, I'm having so much fun.
How many are you gonna eat?
I don't know, the whole thing.
Could you though?
Just
Do
kidding,
it, do
no.
it.
I won't.
Please.
But I probably can, but I won't.
Well, are you gonna have a competition with Will? Winner
No.
pays.
What?
Winner pays.
Maybe.
She thinks she's gonna lose.
No, I probably won't.
Hello.
Kira's-
Guess who?
I don't know. Introduce yourself.
So my name's Gira. This is like actually my first time on this vlog, so yeah.
How are you, Gira?
I'm good. I'm just tired.
Why?
I don't know. I was just really tired today, but it's okay because financial accounting is gonna make me so awake and pumped.
Me too.
Find my
Okay,
certificate
we're back.
six. I'm like, if I use
Meet
it
Alex.
today for like 2 years.
In the cut,
It'll
Ian
go down to,
McFlurries.
like, $1.
You already know. Geek! Clack, clack, clack.
That was so unexpected, honestly.
No, you're probably the trap light.
All right, Leonard. This is Leonard.
I can't do that, but I
Can you try?
No, I can't. Do that again?
Alex,
What's up?
do it again.
Clack.
Yeah, no, I can't do that.
Okay, well,
Geek, geek, geek. Someone gets it. Jesus.
no, I get it.
What do you mean get it? We get it. We're just freaking weird.
No, that was great. Honestly, I commend you. I support you. Keep going. Keep being you and being weird.
Mozzarella.
Okay.
It's only 1 second.
Yeah, it's 1 second.
When it starts when you say start.
It's well, okay. I'm gonna.
Flash
Wait,
off.
wait. It's blurry. It's so blurry. Wait, this is your 1
What's
second.
up,
Are you
bro?
kidding me? This is
Yo.
a terrible.
What's up, bro?
I was waiting.
I'll tell you right now.
Okay.
Hey, chicks!
No, this is. You can't talk. There's literally
Oh, it's
music
literally 1
over
second.
you.
It's
Yeah.
literally just emotions. Like there's no sound.
What
That's
the fuck?
really bad.
What can you possibly do in 1 second?
A lot.
A lot.
Alright, Leonard.
All right,
so
Leonard,
straight.
yeah, Leonard.
Pave the way.
Is it just like movements?
Yeah.
No, what should I do?
See?
No, you can't.
You
There's no
can't
sound.
talk.
There's no
Doesn't
sound.
matter. It doesn't matter, Molly. It doesn't matter
Okay.
what you think. You're a vegan.
But you like it. All right.
I don't know. I can't. Oh, I got put
Wow.
on the spot. I'm choking.
Choke.
Okay, go.
Is that supposed to help? Some lighting.
Come on.
Okay. Fuck, what should I do? Oh, I'll be eating. I don't know.
Okay, go.
Is this like that video where it loops, like it keeps going back and forth?
No,
Boomerang.
it's not a
It's not a
boomerang.
boomerang. Then what is it?
How about you dump all this chocolate on your head?
Oh my god, like making it
Like
rain.
just turn it like close and then turn it over.
I'll do that, but you guys, I don't want
Unless
to
Alex,
It's
do
gonna
you want to
cause a
be
mess.
in it?
The whole thing.
No.
But I don't pick it up at the end.
Yes, you do pick it up at the end.
Alright, deal's over.
Okay, just a handful.
Whenever you're ready, Molly.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ah.
Just look at his face. Ew. That's
This is
that's a
great.
perfect one.